Hello, I'm Catherine Kim, and I'm here to discuss our article, Anti-Müllerian Hormone, or AMH, and Markers of Oxidative Stress. Our writing group decided to investigate this question based on previous research suggesting that oxidative stress was harmful for tissues. We were interested in reproductive tissues because oocytes have approximately 10 times the number of mitochondria compared to other somatic cells, and thus might be more vulnerable to higher systemic oxidative stress. Previous in vitro and animal studies had suggested that this was the case, and also small studies in humans suggested that supplementation with coenzyme Q or ubiquinone, an antioxidant, could help alleviate some of the adverse effects of oxidative stress upon the ovary. We were able to do this investigation through CARDIA, which is a population-based cohort that began in 1985. Since that time, the study has contacted participants every 2 to 5 years. And at year 15 of the study, when women were approximately 40 years of age, CARDIA measured anti-Müllerian hormone as well as numerous markers of oxidative stress, including F2-isoprostanes, phospholipase A2, peroxidase activity, superoxide dismutase, and oxidized LDL. CARDIA also collected information on numerous other factors, including body mass index, or BMI, smoking status, and oral contraceptive, or OCP use. We were able to include 830 women in the study, approximately half of whom were Black and half were white. We found that higher levels of F2-isoprostanes, indicating higher oxidative stress, were associated with lower AMH levels, indicating lower ovarian reserve. Associations with other markers were not as strong. The association persisted after adjustment for age, smoking, BMI, and contraceptive use, suggesting that the F2-isoprostanes association with AMH was not due to these other factors. Our work suggests that systemic oxidative stress has adverse effects on the ovary, and the work is unique in that this is true for a population-based study of women for whom we try to exclude women with polycystic ovary syndrome. However, the study was cross-sectional and correlational, and ideally, randomized trials would be done that would examine the impact of randomizing to an antioxidant intervention and change in AMH markers. Additional observational work can determine when AMH begins to decline and when oxidative stress is the most important for AMH levels. We found the association was strongest in younger women in our sample, suggesting that intervention earlier rather than later in reproductive life might be important. Thank you for your interest.